I'm Anil Kumar. I've taken up a very important question on symmetry of polynomial functions. The question here is, explain algebraically why a polynomial that is an odd function is no longer an odd function when a non-zero constant is added. So let's try to understand this. So I'll take a very simple polynomial. Let's take polynomial f of x. And I'm going to take a general equation, ax cubed plus bx, right? Let's say this is our polynomial. Now this polynomial is an odd function. How do we prove that? We can find what f of minus x is. Replacing x with minus x, we get a minus x cubed plus b minus x. And minus x cubed is negative, so we get minus ax cubed. This is also negative, minus bx, which could be written as negative of ax cubed plus bx, correct? Now, what is ax cubed plus bx, which is f of x? We get minus f of x, correct? Since f of minus x is minus f of x, we know this function is even function. Is it okay? So this function, so this function has is an odd function. So this function is an odd function, correct? Okay. Now let's introduce a constant which is non-zero. So what it really means is that let me write f of x as ax cubed plus bx plus a constant c where c is not equal to 0. Is it okay? Now if you find f of minus x, what do you get? We'll replace x with minus x, and what we get is minus ax cubed minus bx plus c, remember. So if I do minus outside as a common factor, I get ax cubed plus bx. However, this becomes negative c. Now this is not equal to minus of f of x, so it is not an odd function. Do you see that? And the reason is that here a constant is actually an even term. These are odd terms, right? So the reason is that ax cubed bx are with, or we can say odd degree, right? They have odd degree. However, c, which could be written as x to the power of 0, right, has even degree. Even degree term. Is that even degree term? Those are odd degree terms. We are not saying polynomials, okay? So that combination, when you add, it results in neither, right? So this is neither. So I hope that process is clear, right? So whenever you have a function which has all the terms which are odd, you'll get odd symmetry. If you introduce a constant, it's an even degree term. Therefore, the whole term becomes neither. As an example, you can try h of x equals to, let's say, 5x to the power of 5 minus 3x cubed plus 2x, and that will be odd. We'll have odd, it's an odd function or odd symmetry. But if you introduce, let's say, term 1, then this becomes neither, correct? I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar. You can like my videos, share with your friends, and feel free to post questions. Thank you, and all the best.